It is the year 1815, a pivotal moment in both European and German history. Following the Congress of Vienna, society, politics, and the economy underwent major reorganizations. These changes were also evident in the small town of Haiger, where agriculture and craftsmanship shaped everyday life during the transition to the modern age. Amid this upheaval, Philipp Karl Weiss took the bold step of starting afresh. With his exceptional craftsmanship, entrepreneurial spirit, and astute understanding of the times, he established a small glue factory on the Aubach. Using meat and fat byproducts, he produced hide glue. Despite facing various political and social challenges, Weiss enjoyed initial success in the early years and benefited from the industrialization boom that began in 1830. Today, 210 years after its establishment, adhesives are no longer produced using hides and bones, but rather developed in laboratories by highly trained chemists. The Weiss Group's extensive product range is based on thousands of formulations, and the company now supplies its high-quality adhesives and sealants to 65 countries worldwide. In 2007, the company established a US subsidiary to sell products in North America. What began in 2005 as a solid distribution partnership grew into a modern production site in China 20 years later. The present day, 2025, also marks a turning point in politics and the economy. It is time for a new beginning. The Sino-German Eco Park, an ideal location for Weiss's first production site outside of Germany, is located in the metropolis of Qingdao on the Yellow Sea in the Western Pacific. The Eco Park offers excellent conditions for experienced, successful German companies, including access to one of the world's most important ports, a strong economic region with growing markets in China and Southeast Asia, and close connections to German culture and business. Qingdao offers an attractive working environment for both German and Chinese specialists. The new production facility will enable Weiss to expand its product portfolio, develop new markets, and secure and acquire customers. Around 4,000 square meters of modern production, warehouse and laboratory facilities are under construction. Offices and communal areas for management and specialists will provide an appealing workplace for German and Chinese talent. Weiss is embarking on a new chapter, much like Philipp Karl Weiss did on the Aubach in 1815. With its stable German foundation, strong innovative power, and renowned made by Weiss quality, the company is well placed to grow into future markets. 210 years of Weiss, from craftsmanship to high tech.